Today I'm going to show you some really cool life hacks, perfect for Christmas. If you've got a wreath that you want to hang from your front door, but there's no obvious way of fixing it, you can take one of these self-adhesive hooks and fix it upside down on the inside of the door, like this. Then wrap a length of ribbon around the wreath and tie it off in a knot, like this. So we've got a loop to hang it from. Then throw your ribbon over the top of the door and hang it on the upside down hook. And there's our wreath nicely on display. It's not going to blow off the hook in the wind, and we don't have to put a screw or anything into the front of the door. If you've got the right type, you can give your light fitting a seasonal makeover by tying a thread to different sized baubles and hanging them from the stems. Just make sure you don't put them anywhere near the light bulbs. And we've made this really cool Christmassy chandelier. If you need to wrap up a present, but haven't got quite enough wrapping paper, you can use tin foil from your kitchen. I wrapped up this box just like it was ordinary wrapping paper. And I finished it off with a ribbon and a bow. You can take a green sheet of paper or card, curl it into a cone shape, and cut it so we've got a cone profile like this. Then we're going to make a series of holes all over it. You could use a hole punch like this, or make different sized holes with a screwdriver. When I finished, mine looked like this. Then I rolled it back into a cone and held it together with tape. You could use glue. And we're going to illuminate it with an LED tea light candle. Just place the cone over the top. And we've got a really nice, sparkling tree decoration. For this one, I made the holes in a nice uniform pattern. And I also made this pedestal stand. This time I'm using 3 LED candles and placing on the cone. And there we go. Our DIY cardboard tree decoration. It's really easy to make, and it looks great. I recently bought these battery-operated LED fairy lights. They're really nice, and they're great because they're low voltage, they're mobile, and they don't get hot. But I'm going to jazz them up a little. So what I did was take a ping pong ball, and using a screwdriver, I poked a hole through into the ball. Then I pushed it over one of the LED lights, like this. Mine clipped on really well, but if you wanted to, you could use some glue to hold it firmly on. I worked my way down the whole line of LEDs. Then it's ready to dim the lights and give it a try. Pretty cool, huh? We get these really beautiful coloured orbs. You can hang them wherever you like, and these even have a flash setting. If you're making some gravy for your Christmas dinner, but you haven't got a big jug or gravy boat to put it in, you can use a teapot. It's obviously designed for hot liquids, and the lid will help retain the heat. It's quite quirky, and it might make your guests laugh, but it'll keep your gravy nice and hot. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you want to be notified every time I launch a new video, you need to subscribe to my channel, then click the notification bell next to the subscribe button. Have fun, stay safe, and as always, thanks for watching.